Hi, in this video we are going to talk about data warehousing and business intelligence. Earlier we saw how data is collected from various sources and there is a database management system, we call it a DBMS, used for creation of the data, managing the data, maintaining the data, and using some query language to query and so on. These concepts were developed some 30-40 years ago, based upon which popular database management systems like Oracle, DB2, MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, so these things came into existence. However, data was growing in volume. Data were coming up from various varieties. Then the database management system subject also has to get extended. So that is why the concept of data warehousing and business intelligence came into existence. So on top of database management system, there are additional features which are brought in. We are going to see what are they. So what is a data warehouse? So data warehouse is the technology for storing digital information, because the data that we are storing are digital information. So for storing the data, that is storing the digital information in a manner that is secure, reliable, easy to retrieve and easy to manage. So there are four things. If you consider an organization, there are digital information coming from various departments. So all of them are stored in a secure manner. Secure. Data security is important. Data security is to make sure that unauthorized people are not stealing away this data and authorized people get the data whenever it is required. That is called security. Unauthorized people cannot take it and authorized people must be able to take it at the required time. That is called the security. Then reliability. The second important characteristic is reliability. The data must be stored in a reliable manner. Reliable manner. It should be easy to retrieve and it should be easy to manage addition, deletion and other things. So that is called the data warehouse. So in a data warehousing solution, what happens? There is a extract mechanism which extracts data from various sources, and the load process will load into the permanent storage called data warehouse. Now, there are additional tools created to have a visualized view of the data. They are called data visualization tools. So there are data visualization tools to visualize the data in the form of a graph, in the form of a summary, and so on. Similarly, reporting. So from the entire, if there are 25 million subscribers in a bank, probably we may want to retrieve and prepare a report region-wise or state-wise. So those type of reporting mechanisms. Similarly, Another set of tools called business intelligence tools have been included, so that the business intelligence tool will work with the data warehouse and pull the data and convert it into intelligent reports. So what is the architecture of data warehousing? There are extract, transform and load process. There is a data warehouse in which the data are stored. Then there is a set of data visualization tools, reporting tools and business intelligence tools. That is called data warehousing. So in data warehousing, business intelligence tools play a major role. So a data warehouse is a large repository because the volume is growing rapidly. So in a central place of the company, we have a large repository, and that is called the data warehouse. So it's a central data warehouse, and it is collecting data from a wide range of operational resources and external data resources. Maybe internally, we may have a production department. They have a database management system in which they already have structured, filtered and already processed data for production purpose. Similarly, you look at the purchase department. They have a set of data and a database management system in which structured, filtered and already processed data is available. There is a sales department. There is an employee management department, human resources department. There is an infrastructure management department. All from each of these departments, structured, filtered and already processed data are there, and we are pulling all of them and maintaining them. So look at it, data warehouses periodically pull processed data from various internal applications and external partner systems for advanced querying and analytics. So the data warehousing system will support advanced querying, advanced data analytics. For all these things, you can use data warehousing repository. Medium and large size businesses use data warehouse basics to share the data and connect across department specific databases. Why do we have a data warehouse? The purpose of a data warehouse is to store information about products, orders, customers, inventory, employees, because each one is a separate system. We want to pull them all and put them into one warehouse, and we do that. So as I told you, data warehouse is on top of database management systems. There are multiple database management systems. So we have a data warehouse which pulls all of them and manages the data warehousing technologies, data warehousing activities. So data warehouse, for doing data warehouse, there are technologies that are aligned with relational databases, because each DBMS is a relational database. So data warehouse technologies are aligned with relational databases because they excel at high speed queries against high structured data. Relational databases are continuously evolving to make data warehouse faster, more scalable and more reliable. What are the database data warehousing tools? Amazon Shift, Microsoft Azure, Google has come out with BigQuery, Snowflake, Amazon DynamoDB, Micro Focus. So these are all some popular data warehousing tools. So what have we studied? We have seen what is data warehouse, how business intelligence plays a major role in the data warehouse. A data warehouse periodically pulls data from other internal and partner database management systems, the structured data, and periodically process them using business intelligence activities. Thank you.